Hi friends, this is Amit Gupta from Samarth Electronics. Now our brand name is ST. This is manufacturing the ultrasonic cleaning machine. Now we have did a demo of the standard machine with a 5 key. Now we have filled up the water in the tank. Now we have started with this small timer. One is the up key and this is up key, increasing and this is decreasing key. The one degas key, one is cleaner and another one is the heater. This standard model which is increasing this key. It is 20 minutes up to the maximum temperature for this. And this is degas. This is more for degas. It is a switch on and switch on machine for 6 seconds and 6 seconds off. This is used in pharma sectors. And this is standard timer. Just start the machine. You can start the machine. There was a heater key. So I will start the heater and switch on the machine.